So let's take a look at client list tracker in Google Appsheet. So basically we start with a tabular structure. So for that I will create new database, and within the table we'll create a new table considering this is default one which we are not going to use. So in new table we'll create this layout, right? I will just give it MyDB as name, replace table name with say client, save this. You can also remove any old table if it allows. Now let's remove one of the unknown column. Now first thing I will do is I will type in client name, keep it text, save. Now I will also add that as column label, remove any unused columns in the process. I will add phone. For that we can use phone column type. There is also option for, let's say, your email. If you want to keep that, I would use that as well. So for that you use type email, save. Then in another column I will use service request, right? Within service request I will use text as default. Then comes the custom id, right? So I will just use custom id, and you can use text or you can use number. Save that. Finally you can set the priority for that particular client. I will just go with that particular enum and then drop down, and here I will have high, medium, low, and unknown or other, right? And then save it. Once you have this tabular structure you can go to your app, right? Here you can always create app from existing data. Here I will name this client list tracker. Then I will use human resource and choose your data. Now here within Appsheet database I will select use the client table that we just created. If you want to add one more column you can also do that. Use notes as column, keep it text, save this. Now we have to come back here, choose our table, create app. All the columns will be taken, right? And they will be used for development of our app, right? So I will go back here and let's see the view that is generated. You can see once it gets syncs it will be showing the empty space because nothing is there. And so I will go for views and then use table structure. Now here I will sort by the column types, right? And next thing I will do is use data, right? I will save this particular client app, and once we have this particular option managed I will just go to desktop option. As you can see here I will be able to add client name, say something like this, then 123, then dash 111, and then some number. Then I will add service request and something like, let's say that client is specific to finance department. So finance department service request custom id, let's see 102. Priority I will set to medium, notes, and then save. You have client name, phone, email, service request, custom id, priority, right? These are things that we are doing and we are done with that. Now next thing I will just close this particular tab and I can adjust the view, can also make column and remove, right? And then once you want exactly the type of tabular structure for your tracker, you are good to go by publishing those changes. So this was client list tracker in Appsheet.